Hello, you are welcome to Learn with Gideon. Let's roll the intro. Hi, you are warmly welcome to this channel, Learn with Gideon. This is a summation lesson on singular and plural nouns. If you haven't watched the previous lessons yet, click on the links in the description below this video to do so. Let's proceed with how few nouns ending with FE or F form their plurals. For words ending with FE or F have their plurals ending with VES. Some examples are knife, we have knives. The singular wolf, the plural wolves. We have loaf, loaves. Shelf, shelves. Thief, thieves. And all these plurals are ending with VES. Both singular and plural are the same for some nouns. Have a look at these examples. Sheep, deer, milk, money, scissors. This is the end of chapter 1 of lessons on this channel. Thanks for your attention. It's my joy that this lesson will help you in speaking and writing. If you found this lesson helpful, please subscribe to this channel by clicking on the channel logo on the right side of your screen. And please do like and share this video, comment and subscribe. Thank you.